Hi, how are you? I am going to say the object that I kept in my bag and also those that I have in my desk. In my bag, I have got a SD card to save files. I have got a mobile phone charger. Also, I have got a sunglass and I have got a wallet where I take the money. I haven't got a cap, a coin, a dollar, and other object that it don't use. On my desk, I have got a computer where I look for information for my English studies. There is also a notebook where I do my homework, and I have got a pencil, a pen, a marker, and a pencil case where I get them when I finish studying. This is all. See you later.